Our power lines here. Oh, here. Speaking of which, look. See that? What's up, pilots? Whether you're learning or pushing limits, this is our FPV journey. Beautiful day. Start feeling like spring. I'm here in the countryside in Texas, where it's me, the pines, and the drone. My drone. I'll be flying my DJI Avata in a manual mode between trees, surfing trees, and doing beautiful things. Just no pressure, you know. Running away from the city, came here to relax and fly my drone. What else can be better than this? Let's go ahead and send it. It's time to go. Welcome aboard. Let's go ahead and send it. Already. Let's go ahead and already I'm gonna go ahead and start recording. It's recording now. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to manual mode, 29 degrees on the angle. I'm gonna do 30 because I'm just comfortable with this camera angle. I know I can probably benefit more since I'm flying under the trees, but I'm gonna try my best to fly the same camera angle that I usually do. I'm gonna go ahead and start the motors and let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the feeling of it. I got too close to that building. It's okay. So it started looking like a spring here in Texas. Spring is not till next week, but here I am. Watch for those power lines up here. And I'm gonna go ahead and do some high altitude stuff to show you the area. And we're gonna be working on some stuff. Woo! That branch, ghost branch, I didn't see it. Alright, here it is. I am right here. And this is the area I'm flying. This is nice. Look at this tree. Look how high this one is. What is that? 111, 100 something feet? Wow. Let's do some tree surfing. It's so peaceful up here. I don't have to deal with the city, the noises in the city, the traffic. Just come up here and recharge my batteries. I'm talking my batteries, not the drone batteries. Drone batteries are charged right now. Okay, again, watching out for those power lines. I was in the tower. Very nice. There's so many eagles around here, so I have to watch for them. If I see any, I'm gonna have to do something about them. Usually, the eagles cannot climb up fast enough like the drone, so usually I'll go climb up unless if I'm close to the trees, then I'll just go ahead and go somewhere between the trees. Our power lines here, oh, here. Speaking of which, look. See that? Let me go ahead down here and between those trees because I don't want to deal with them. They probably have a nest somewhere, eggs or whatever, and they're probably feeling threatened by my drone. I bet you anything that's what's going on up there. Some baby nest. So I try to avoid them because I don't want to disturb the peace either. I mean, let them live, you know? Like they say, live and let live, right? It's so beautiful. Up here, this is in Livingston, Texas. This is East Texas. It's a pine wood here. This is all pines right here, look. Oak trees, of course, but those are pines over there. All the way up there, there's the solar farm. I believe that's a solar farm. And here I am. I can hear my wife flying her drone. I don't want to get too close. Okay, earlier the eagles were here, so I don't want to get too close. It was over there on top of that house somewhere. So beautiful. I'm gonna go do my favorite maneuver, dive. I don't want to get too close because I know my wife, she's flying over there on top of the area. I'm gonna go ahead and climb to 350 maybe, 370 here. Here is my dive. I love doing dives. You hear my wife say drone? I gotta watch for it. I don't want to hit it. I'll say close to, hug the trees or close to the ground. Power lines! Watch out for those power lines! I don't know. Can I go on the other side over there? It's very tight. I'm not very confident to go over there, but if anything happen, what can I do? Whoa. 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 Not very smooth, but I'm making it. Whoa. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, this is nerve-wracking. Oh, it's very tight over there. Here I am, baby. Right here. Okay, let's do other higher stuff right here. See if we can go a little bit farther over there. I don't want to lose signal. Let me climb a little bit more. Signal is still okay. 54% on the battery. There is a lake over there. It's a beautiful lake. Look at it. I know if I get on top of the lake, I'm probably gonna lose signal. So far, I'm gonna look to my right because that's where the drone is. Hopefully, I'll get enough signal to just reach here. All right, here is the lake. Woo! Signal is sketchy right now. Okay, that's enough. Let's get back. Okay, I'm gonna 48% on the battery. 8 minutes of flying. That's not bad. I wish I can get that on my 5-inch. Okay, let's get close to the trees. Trees, trees, and more trees. Where am I? Am I lost or where? Or not? No, I am here. I just gotta watch out for those power lines. Power lines! Dive! Don't hit the ground! That was fun. That's what I like about flying the Avata. It does the freestyle, flow freestyle. Flow freestyle is like you flow in. You're not doing freestyling like the hard stuff, you're just flowing. You're going up and down. Don't hit the ground. Okay, let me turn here. Woo! I got too close to the ground. So that's the flow stuff. Look, that's what I mean. You flowing. It's like a swinging, kind of up and down. Of course, there are power lines here. Gotta watch for them. Someone's battery is dying and they're not doing anything about it. Woo! Okay, let's pass these. I didn't want to come this way, but so many ghost branches because things didn't grow up all the way up yet. So it's hard to see all the branches now. They're not all green. Those are gonna be green, those trees are gonna be like in a month. $10 minutes and a half, that's not bad. 34%, that's where the battery starts sagging. So I gotta be careful here. I'll bring it back at 30%. Look at those beautiful flowers. Look at that. That's nice. Come on, that's beautiful. 32%. Okay, I got 2 more percent here to play with. Let's see if we can go between here. So I don't know where I'm gonna be cutting the lawns soon. Not today. Not maybe like in 2-3 weeks, because I want the flowers to grow. I don't want to cut the flowers. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back. 29%. I haven't flown the Avata for a while. Can I land it in a manual mode? I'm not sure. Okay, I forgot how to turn off the Avata. I cut some grass. Let's see. It wasn't serious. Nothing. It's good. It's very good. I cut some grass, but the grass is not dense right now. So here it is. The Avata is back. Like I said, I am here in the countryside, relaxing, staying away from the city and from all the stress down there. Recharging my batteries, enjoying the weather, beautiful weather, and beautiful flying. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comment section. And we will see you in the next one.